How to make the
Good morning,
ultimate
everybody.
protein
It's your boy
shake.
Donnie. I wanted to teach you guys how to make the ultimate protein shake today. So, what are we starting with? We're starting with agua. Got some water. And I even got my measuring cups going, you know what I'm saying? I got some measuring cups. In my measuring cups, I do about a half a cup of water. And we're gonna do 2 of those. So it's really 1 cup. And I like my water cold because when you drink that protein shake, you want to get a nice, refreshing taste, man. I'm telling you, this right here is going to be for straight gains. Nothing but gains only. Next, almond milk. See, I like to shop at Whole Foods. You know, they got some good things out there, you know. I mean, I do about a cup, and I measure it out. It's about a cup. I could have really used a cup of water, but I don't know. It's mental. I use the 1/2 cups, 2 1/2 cups for the water, and then I do 1 cup for the almond milk. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what it is. I just feel like it's better that way. I feel like it's perfect. Trust me when I tell you. When you're about to taste this, what you're about to taste, you're gonna drink this every other day or every day, and you're gonna thank me for it. Trust me. Next, we need some steel cut oats. So I do 2 scoops. So it's about 1 cup. But again, I don't use the 1 cup. I use the 2 half a cups. I don't know why that is that I do it this way. But mentally, I feel like it's just better. I'm dripping some almond milk. 1 right there. Then I do 2. And maybe a little extra. I like steel cut oats. As you can see right here. Steel cut oats. There we go. Next, we got some peanut butter. That's right. Put some peanut butter in there. You can't go wrong with peanut butter. And I do a spoon. Take a spoon just like this. I don't use the measuring cups for that because it gets a little, it gets a little messy. You gotta clean it. About a spoon like this. You put that on there. You know. I'm telling you. You put a little bit of this peanut butter in there. Man. The taste you're about to have when you blend your protein shake together. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. This is the best protein shake I ever made in my life. And every time I go to the gym, I forget to share it with people. I want to share this with y'all as you work on your gains journey. Next, simple banana. Why? Because you need that banana. You need that banana for recovery. You need that banana for flavor. You need that banana for energy. You know, it's the best fruit, really, to put in your protein shake. And come on, it's like one of my favorite foods to eat, so I can't go wrong with that. Last but not least, protein. So for protein, you can use whatever you want. I mean, I have my NutriBio, which is a favorite brand of mine, and I don't get paid for this. Not sponsored by NutriBio, but I really should be. You know, tag them in the comment section. Let them know Donnie sent you. NutriBio. I use whey protein isolate for now, but they have a different one. They have the regular whey protein, and that one is fine too. The cookies and cream flavor. You know, that's the go-to flavor for me because it goes really well with the peanut butter and banana. Y'all gonna see. And I use about a scoop. I use about, if this is like a scoop, I scoop out a little bit because the scoop itself is pretty big. So this is like half a scoop. I put 1, boom, in there, and then a little bit, towards the end for that good flavor. I'm telling you, you put that in there, bang, and that's it. Don't put no more though. Put like maybe 1. Don't put a full scoop. Put 2 half a scoops because it is already pretty sweet. So you don't want to go crazy on that. Now that's done, we close this up. Where is the cover? Oh shit. Cover it up. Boom. Bow. Hold on, this is gonna be loud. beverage I ever bought in my life. An Oyster Duralast Classic. I'm telling you. Okay. All right. Just thank me later for this. Best protein shake you ever had in your life. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's right. Let me taste it. I tell you guys, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. And that's it. Let me know what you think in this comment section. It's your boy Donnie. I put you on to the greatest protein shake ever. On success with your gains journey and everything else. Peace, love, and blessings. It's Donnie.